Welcome to Ringside Collectibles Figure Insider. You know what kind of weather comes from Denton? Rain, thunder, lightning. Those are the least of your worries. Because here, you have a real live Texas tornado. Here he is in Mattel's WWE Legends Series 6. Tornado comes in legendary packaging with his image on the carding and memorable moment on the back. He's got some cool tweezed eyebrows and an entrance jacket with his secret name stitched into the back. His wristbands are yellow and he's wearing reverse knee pads. Yellow and black tassels and yellow boots complete the look. I know a Von Erich when I see one, and this is absolutely a Von Erich. Check out Ringside Collectibles at WrestlingFigures.com for the largest selection of wrestling figures on the internet.